Hi, how are you?
What's up, folks? I'm irritated. We're all irritated. Well, we were gonna upload this video first on doing the wheel bearing and ball joints, and I don't have a long enough set of snap ring pliers to get down inside the hub. So no, we kind of like moved back out towards like the boonies a little bit, and there isn't a whole lot of stores around us, and everything's pretty far. So instead of driving like hours to like an actual real parts store, we're just gonna have to order a pair online. That snap ring in there is pretty heavy duty. It's pretty intense. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna get a lighter real quick. All right, well, what we're gonna do right now,
Okay, maybe not.
yeah, just stop. We're gonna do a comparison between the stock 6.0 starter and a 6.4 starter.
Yeah.
Wonder why they made the 6.4 start faster and easier than the 6.0s.
Because it's got 0.4 more liters.
Good point. There's 3 bolts.
3
and then 2 wires.
Gee.
So we're gonna do that really quick.
Pick number 3, Pick number 3.
We're gonna start it real quick so you guys can hear
What?
how the 6 blow starts.
Oh.
Is this good footage when I shake it like this?
Probably not, man. You're just wasting my time.
Sorry guys, I wasted time just like I do my whole life. Mom told me the same thing. Ellie disses.
Leads?
Leads.
Leads. Short for lead.
Alright,
Leads.
let her rip.
Yup.
You guys can hear that Justin still has a little bit of a problem. It's probably injectors.
It's probably you.
Smells good though. It smells like Christmas.
Does it smell like freedom?
Yeah.
Christmas.
It smells like freedom,
It
dude.
smells like the
You ever like smell the
shit
bald
I
eagle
smelled.
fart? 'Cause this is what it smells like.
Oh, dude, you did have that one fart right in your face that one time, didn't you?
Yeah, that's when I was like barefoot skiing across the glacier.
All right, we're gonna get under this thing and get her done.
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Great, grand, holy, indubitably, top of that notch. You go.
One here, you have one up here, then there's another one on top, and then you have your 2 wires back there. But what I'm gonna do is just get it down a little bit and then get the wires off. It's usually easier like that. I can't hold this and record it at the same time. All right, back to another episode with 2 dudes in 1 socket. Yeah, never again. I don't care what the hell this guy needs. If it involves a starter on this thing, not doing it. If any of you guys need a starter done, not happening. That top bolt, it took me longer to get that top bolt out than it did to do everything. I mean, we could have went out and ate at a Chinese buffet, and it could have went quicker.
Yeah, that take a while, that buffet.
Right, and Justin eats, we be getting down at the Chinese buffet. Seriously, that was absolutely stupid, but we got it out. We're about to put the new one in, but I'm going to take a breather because I was getting pretty heated there for a second.
You started tearing up.
I cried twice. Justin cried, laughed. He threw a 10 mil socket right at my freaking elbow when I was laying underneath the car. Or the truck. I about died of pain. I have weak elbows. Chris came back with some Dr. Pepper, but I can't even get to it because Justin's laying on the ground right now, taking up the alley. We got no room in here. I couldn't even fit a mouse between the freaking tailgate and the garage door. I mean, we're just having a blast in here, guys. Chris, what's going on?
Chilling.
Yeah, Justin's making fun of me because he says I'm not a mechanic, and
Fucking can't change the wheel bearing. Fucking can't change the starter.
apparently can't do a wheel bearing, can't do the starter. I just can't do anything. I'm about to give it up.
Yeah, he's gonna end it and save us all the hassle.
I mean, we were thinking about starting a channel, 2 dudes in 1 socket, and
Come to find out, he can't even run a socket.
I can't even be the one dude or the socket, so it's just gonna be one dude, I guess. All right, enough messing around. We're gonna get this thing in there. I had to take a breather. It's in, buddy.
Yeah.
So guys, people, whoever's out there on the tube world, Justin over there, since I can remember, has wanted to put a 6.4 starter and a 6.0. And some of the old people probably know that you bought Bomb Pop, and it started super fast.
Right.
Some of the new subscribers probably don't know Bomb Pop.
Nope.
Project Bomb Pop was a truck that we drove like 8 hours to go get. And he only had it for a little bit, drove it, took the trans out, put it back in his gray truck.
Yep.
That thing started pretty fast.
Yep.
So it sounded like it could have had a 6.4 starter in it, right? But we weren't for sure.
Fully sound like it. I don't know. It was weird.
It just sounded healthy is pretty much what it sounded like. So we've never put a 6.4 starter in a 6.0, so I guess we're both kind of...
I know what it sounds like because Derek had one of his. But
Yeah. Well, we've never done it ourselves, you know, so...
Probably never do it again, yeah.
Hopefully it starts a little bit easier, maybe. We should probably crack this. Chris, dude, it's funny. Chris like just blends right in with everything over here. He's like tucked back in the corner. Oh yeah, dude. Dude, that's crazy, bro. It started up like that. Well, you heard the difference, and that's definitely a big difference for sure, dude. That was like
quick.
Crazy, like right up, but we shut it off really quick because I don't know, might try to get down there and look at that exhaust real quick because it came disconnected at the downpipe, but that's all we're doing for that. Might mess with the exhaust, but
The same as that quad, dude.
how much was it?
$98.
From where?
98, yeah. Rock Auto.
Rock Auto, $98 from Rock Auto.
2009 6.4 starter.
You guys heard it.
It's the cheapest one you can get on there.
How much is it? Like you said, in just a normal 6.4
Well, they have the
starter?
good ones on there.
How much?
Like 4 something, 500, 800.
We'll see how long it'll last. This guy's got to go tomorrow and get some snap ring pliers so we can finish up that wheel bearing. So that'll upload after this.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. You're supposed to say like, comment, and subscribe, not Happy
Like
Halloween.
your neighbor State Farm is there.
Exactly.